Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. We are doing a very simple recipe as usual. Today we are doing I'm showing you how I do my wedges for my kids, okay, and they love it. Right, so this is what we have. What I have some potatoes I've cut into wedges. You can cut them anyhow. I just want to show you how I do it. Just cut that into two, depending on how big you want it. Just divide that into three, just like that. Okay, so it's very easy to do. This how it is. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just boil this for a few minutes before I put it in my air fryer. So guys, this is the boiling water. Okay, I'll put a little bit of salt in it, so I'll just put that in. I'll just cover it for it to boil just for about 5 to 10 minutes. Right guys, so this is my potatoes. It took about 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, so what I have to do is just put a little bit of rapeseed oil. Shake it nicely. So guys, I'm going to put this in my Ninja Foodie, okay. It's quite nice and hot. So what I do is just cover it, and then I put an air fryer and I set the time to 30 minutes. It can be more, so I'll just put it at 40 minutes. It's how crispy you want it to be, okay. So that's it. So I'll air fry this, and then after I'll show you what I do next. So guys, I've put some rapeseed oil in the pan, and I'm going to add chopped garlic. Oh, the garlic smells really good. Make sure you use medium heat, okay? Smells amazing. Tell you have to try this recipe. Just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I'm so grateful that you still come along and watch my videos. May God richly bless you. Right, so you know that garlic doesn't take long to cook, so I'm going to put my potatoes in, and then what you do is just lower the fire a bit, and then try and turn it around, or you can just shake it. What I normally do really is just hold it. Smells so good. Just want to make sure that the garlic oil has gone through every part of. So guys, what I add next is I add some black pepper, and then I add some parsley. My kids love parsley, so let's add a bit of greens. Let's toss it. Smells so good. So good. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Smells amazing. You can do this with your roast potatoes, okay? Just because it's so easy to do. And you can add rosemary as well if you prefer. Guys, you have to try this recipe. So guys, this is our garlic. Look at that. That is our garlic wedges, potato wedges. It tastes amazing. I tell you, you have to try it. It's delicious and very easy to do. So guys, if you like this recipe, do give me a thumbs up, okay? And please subscribe to my channel. and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Just look at that. It tastes amazing.